What's good, everybody? Yo, man, it's good to be back. It's good to be back. So, I've been going for a while. I had to take care of some things. I had to do some things financially. I had to. I wanted to make some changes on my credit. And since it wasn't riding season, it was wintertime. I was like, this is the perfect time for me to do it and get the bike later. But I did all those things, and life goes on, man. Life gets better. It's supposed to get better, and I just had to make sure that was happening for me. So I did that, and in doing that, got myself a little something new, and I've been really loving this bike, and I've only ridden it like 2 days. That's it. And what's funny is this bike, I don't know if anybody saw any color or anything that could give it away, but if anybody can guess what bike this is before like the 2-minute mark, I will like your comment because I don't have any money to give you. But this bike is actually kind of a dream bike. It's exactly what I wanted. It really just fell into my lap. And what's funny is, these tires, these are Pirelli Angel GT tires. I had these in my shopping cart on Revzilla because I was thinking about getting these tires like on my next bike. And it's just funny that these tires already came on here. So let me tell you what happened. I was shopping for a bike, and while shopping for it, I didn't really notice that there were a lot of bikes in this area, and there was a bike shortage. There's a chip shortage going on. The chip shortage actually had to do with like vehicles, SUVs, and all kinds of machines. I want to say it affected cell phones also. I'm not sure, but definitely affected vehicles. So it was hard for me to find a bike. It was hard for me to find what I wanted. And so I looked on Cycle Trader. I don't know if anybody can tell yet what bike it is, but looked on Cycle Trader. I found a number of bikes that I like, but the problem is I had to get them shipped, and that would have costed me well over $500. I mean, depending on where from, it would have probably cost me over $1,000 just to get it shipped. So I'm like, okay, another fee. And I'm like, and some of my homies were like, yo, well, first I found a bike. I found one that was $6,900, and at the dealership, and they said, well, after financing it would have been like over $8,000. And my dumb tail totally forgot about Facebook Marketplace, and my homies was like, yo, check Facebook Marketplace. So I'm like, duh. Looked on Facebook Marketplace, and in 5 minutes I found this bike. 5 minutes. I'm gonna change that spool. I'm gonna get a different color. You can probably already tell what bike it is. Might as well go ahead and show you. Oh, this shirt is sweet. Oh man, this bike is so nice. I just washed it, and it's gonna look different from this. I'm gonna give you an update. I'm waiting for some grips to come in. I'm gonna change these grips. But yeah, man. 2013 Kawasaki ZX6R 636. 2013. It had not less than 9,000 miles on it. Great deal, and for like almost $3,000 less, like $2,500 less than what I was, possibly going to pay for the other bike. So, I was about to go, pull the trigger on this other bike, and I checked out Facebook Marketplace, and in 5 minutes I found this one. Same bike, same. Actually, it was a year. It's a year older. The one I saw was a 2014. This is a 2013, and I saw it had 20,000 less miles on it. 20,000 less. It was cleaner. The only thing, the other bike had a Two Brothers exhaust, and that's kind of what I wanted. But this M4 is amazing too, so I'm not complaining at not one, but I love it. Um, this one actually has um, the little oh my god, what the freak is the name of those things? Why is my brain going blank? Bro, what are these called? Hold on. Google. I forgot what the name of those things are. My mind is going blank. What's wrong with me? Sliders. Jesus. Jeez. Yo. Okay, frame sliders. Jesus Christ, I forgot what these things were. Yeah. This has frame sliders on it. The other bike, yeah, I don't think it had frame sliders if I remember correctly. So, when I found this bike, it was up the street. It was up here in close to Baltimore, Maryland. So I'm like, cool. I go pick that up. Go check it out first. I took a buddy with me. I talked to a bunch of friends about it. Talked to a couple of my cousins about it. Like all my riding buddies that I'm cool with. And I said, yo, what's up with this bike? And they gave me the 411, and they said, yo, it looks good. Everybody said buy this bike. So I pulled the trigger. This is the one. And I've been loving this bike. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a before and after, and I'm gonna give you a sound check also. But this bike is gonna have some different colors, different accents on it. Matter of fact, here's a couple of the stickers right here. Got some blue, some tire tape, tire stickers on there, GP style, checker flag style. See how that's gonna look. I'll try it out. If I don't like it, I'll just take it back off. So this is the before, right? Get a nice little walk around. Don't worry about this. The reason why this is off is because there's no screw. I took the tag off. So I have the tag. I'm gonna put it back on, but I took it off for right now. So yeah, so that works. That's perfectly fine. It's not broken. And the after will be coming. Well, I mean, for you guys it'll be instant, but I might not get my grips in until Saturday, and it's Wednesday right now, so I might be waiting till this weekend. All right, sound test. Sir. Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Bob. Yo, that 636 on the front is kind of crazy. My son hitting perfect though. That's how girls, that's how females be taking. They be like, oh, the sun's setting just right, girl. Give me now. Yeah. because I'm not trying to disturb all the neighbors. So yeah, whew, this thing is a beast, man. I love this bike so much. I love this bike. So blue's my favorite color. I don't know if you can tell that. Yeah, man. Loving this bike. Absolutely loving this bike.